My dear family, I'm so grateful that you are here and that you are a part of this Mahayatra family. You have chosen to invest your own healing and growth, and that itself takes so much courage. I truly see you and I'm proud of each one of you. Today, I want to share something very close to my heart. Our mission is to help 50,000 women align their energies and balance their life, their health, their relationships, their emotions, their finances. Because when one woman heals, her whole family heals. And when families heal, our society heals, our country heals. But I cannot do this alone. I need your support to complete this mission. And I want to be very honest with you. This is completely your choice. There is no pressure at all. Whether you choose to be a part of this mission or not, you will always be loved and valued member of our beautiful Mahayatra family, enjoying your weekly live interactive sessions. That will never change. If this feels right to you, if you feel called to be a part of something bigger, I would love to have you by my side. So let me tell you how this learn and earn system works. It is very simple. You just share your experience, your journey, your transformation with your friends, your family, your relatives. You are not selling anything. You are simply sharing what you have lived and felt. There are two ways your loved ones can begin their Chakra Mahayatra journey. The first is our 3-day emotional detox workshop, a powerful experience where they deeply understand their chakras, their emotions, and themselves. The second is a personalized one-to-one session where they receive individual guidance tailored just for them. How your contribution gets rewarded. If someone from your side attend the 3-day workshop and then register for Chakra Mahayatra, you receive 2100 referral points. If someone joins Chakra Mahayatra after a one-to-one session, you receive 1100 referral points. Since 1 point equals to 1 rupee, 2100 points means 2100 rupees and 1100 point means 1100 rupees. Simply for sharing something you already love. You can claim these points as direct cash in your bank account or use them to join our morning session or other programs and invest back into your own growth. Now, one very important thing I want you to know. Your referral points will only be activated once your referral has completed their full enrollment fee. Only when their complete registration fees is received, your points will be credited to you. Also, we are very soon increasing the price of Chakra Mahayatra. So if your friends and family have been thinking about joining, now is truly the best time. They get to join at the current price and you get to be the reason of their healing journey. That is truly beautiful thing. Practically, it is so easy to get started. I'm sharing link with you that you can simply forward to your groups and contacts as they are. No need to write anything extra. Or if you feel inspired, record a short 20 to 30-second video from your heart, sharing your experience of Chakra Mahayatra and invite them to register. Your real words will always be the most powerful invitation. And once someone from your end complete their full enrollment, just share their name and phone number with us and your referral points will be credited to you right away. I want you to pause for just a moment and think there may be someone in your life who is silently struggling right now with her health, her relationships, her emotions, and your one message, your one video, your one forward could be the very reason she finds her way to healing. That is not a small thing, that is life changing. So, if this feels right, I would love to have you as a part of this mission. The links are with you. Share your story, forward the message, and let's build something beautiful together. And if you have any questions at all, you can message at 9899696867. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for being a part of this beautiful Mahayatra family. Your trust means everything to me. Together, we are not just healing ourselves, we are healing our families, our communities, and our country. Let's do this together. Happy healing.